Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, dear.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, before we start our material, I want if we can pray together. Please, the leader, lead the pray. Zulfan.
Sebelum kita belajar, mari kita berdoa bersama-sama. Berdoa dimulai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Tu billahi rabbah wa bil islami
Wa bi
Muhammadin nabiyyan
wa rasulah. Rabbi
zidni ilma
warzuqni rahmah birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Well, now we are going to sing the song of Indonesia Raya. Please, Atskia, help me. Come here. Stand here. Stand up. Okay, hiduplah dan forget ya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, like that. Just Atskia sih yang ngomong. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Indonesia, tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu hidup. Indonesia, kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku.
Marilah kita bersatu,
Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku, yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Clap. Okay, now I will check your attendance. Who is not coming for today? Siapa yang nggak masuk hari ini? Masuk semua? Complete? Okay, nice. And before we start our material, I want if you check cleanliness on your classroom. Dicek kebersihan kelasnya tuh sampah. Tuh diambil. Take the trash please. Okay, check in your drawer lacinya. Okay, udah? Okay, Izam, sit down. Okay, now I want to remind you about the last hour material. Yesterday we learned about the type of food. Now we will learn about the taste of food. Jadi kalau kemarin kita belajarnya tentang tipe-tipe makanan. Ada makanan apa? Bakso. Makan apa lagi? Fried chicken. Nah, kayak gitu. Tapi di sini kita belajar tentang rasanya. Misalnya rasanya ada apa aja rasa tuh? Nah, asam, ada manis, ada apa? Pahit. Nah, kayak gitu. Okay, now I will show you about the video. How does it taste? Sour, sweet, spicy, bitter, and terakhir tadi apa? Salty. Basic taste. Sour, asam. Sweet, apa tuh? What is that? Spice. Ini apa? What is that? Chili. Okay, bitter. Salt. How does lemon taste? Bagaimana rasa How does candy taste? What is candy? Permen. Nice. How does candy taste? Okay, nice, sweet, right? Bitter melon test, rasanya gimana? Bitter. Ya, nice, udah jelas ya di situ ada. Bitter. Popcorn, salty. Okay, nice, salty. Sini ada apa lagi nih di sini nih? Selain ini ada donut. Sweet, jelas ya, donut pasti sweet. Kalau french fries? Salty. And then terakhir last, tamarin. Apa itu tamarin? What is that? Asam Asam Jawa. Kalau udah asam, judulnya udah asam berarti coffee, coffee hitam, black coffee, bitter. Oke, mana nih? Oke, bitter. Bitter itu apa tadi? Okay, from the video, I want to ask you for the first question, what kind of food do you like? Apa aja sih makanan yang kalian suka? Jenis makanan seperti apa? Kayak apa tuh? Seperti apa makanannya? Ice cream, terus donat, coklat. Coklat suka nggak? Coklat. Do you like it? Okay. What does it taste like? Kalau misalnya tadi bilangnya ice cream, berarti emang rasanya seperti apa? Sweet. And then kalau French fries, what about French fries? Salty. Do you like it? Yes. Okay. Can you name food that taste sweet or salty? Kalian bisa nggak tahu ini? Oh ini rasanya asin. Oh ini rasanya manis. Bisa ya. Dengan cara apa? Merasakannya. Jadi kalian tahu ya. So you know about the taste of food, right? Jadi kalian tahu apa itu rasa asin, apa itu manis, apa itu pahit, asam dan apa lagi? Spicy, pedas. Do you like it spicy? Yes. Suka atau enggak? Siapa yang suka? Raise your hand. Oke, enggak. Oh, oke. Oke. The purpose of learning for today. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini apa sih dengan belajar materi ini, the taste of food? Yaitu today we are going to learn about the taste of food and practice mentioning different food tastes in English. We will also play a supermarket shopping game and complete the supermarket taste of food worksheet. Nah, in Indonesia is, hari ini kita akan mempelajari mengenai rasa dari makanan dan mempraktekkannya. Contoh tadi udah lihat di video kan, kalau makanan ini, oh ini rasanya asin, oh ini rasanya manis. Jadi kalian tahu mana makanan yang rasanya asin, mana rasanya manis dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah setelah itu kita akan bermain supermarket. Jadi kalian akan berbelanja makanan dengan jenis-jenis makanan. Okay, now we will ice breaking. We can do ice breaking together. I think you remember about this song, right? Ingat kan dengan lagu ini? Okay, yo, we will sing together. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning into you.
Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm fine.
Okay, one more, lebih semangat. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm fine.
Good morning, everybody.
How are you? I'm fine.
Good morning into
You.
Good morning into me. Good morning, everybody.
How are you? I'm fine.
Okay, now I want to ask you about if you are already to sitting with your group, right? Kalian udah duduk sama kelompoknya kan? Okay, udah duduk sama kelompoknya. So I will show you about the PowerPoint material, about our material is kind of tests. We have 5 tests. The first is sweet. Sweet itu ada sour, salty, bitter, the last spice. Okay, I want if you repeat after me. Jadi ikuti setelah Miss. Sweet, sweet, sweet,
Sweet.
Manis.
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 Sour.
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 Asam.
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 Salty.
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 Asin.
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 Bitter.
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 Pahit.
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 Spicy.
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 Pedas.
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 Okay, I told you before, if the first group is Zulfan, the second group is Insyira, and then the last group. Nah, Miss maunya yang pertama, grup pertama coba dibaca sweet sampai spicy. Nanti habis itu gantian bersama-sama, oke? Oke, kelompok Zulfan. 1, 2, 3.
Manis. Sour. Asam. Salty. Asin. Bitter. Manis.
Spicy.
Pedas.
Oke, nice. Oke, next.
Sweet. Manis. Sour. Asam. Salty. Asin. Bitter. Manis. Spicy. Pedas.
Oke, next. Manis.
Sour. Asam. Salty. Asin. Bitter. Manis. Spicy. Pedas.
Oke, clap together. Oke, example of sweet. Contoh dari makanan yang manis. Pelan-pelan Nizam. Oke, food. Ada food, ada drink. Foodnya ada apa aja yang sweet? Candy, coklat, ice cream, cupcake. This is the food. How about the drink? Milkshake, sweet. Oke, siapa yang mau baca? Who want to read about the food? Oke, Arkan coba. Candy, ice. Oke, nice. Next, how about the drink? Who is want to read? Insyira? Oke, milkshake, sweet, tea, and then honey drink. Honey itu apa? Yeah, nice. Jadi minuman madu. Of course, sudah pasti manis. Pernah nggak? Pernah. Suka? Okay, example of sour. Lemon, blueberry, pickles, pineapple. How about the drink? Yogurt, lime juice, tamarin. Tamarin apa tadi? Miss bilang? Asam Jawa. Okay, food. Pickles, yogurt, lime juice, and Okay, who is want to read? Ayo. Okay, next. Okay, how about the drink? Who is want to read? Okay, Zulfan, next. Okay, nice. Example of salty. Salty apa tadi? I told you before. Asin. The first is, and then salted fish, salted egg, cheese, and salted chips. What is salt? Salt apa? Salt apa? What is that? Oh, garam. Salted fish, ikan asin. Salted egg, telur asin. Cheese, keju, and then last, keripik asin. Oke, siapa yang mau baca? Who want to read? Arkan again. Oke, Arkan. Time is yours. Oke, salt itu apa, Arkan? Oke, next. Oke, apa itu? Salted egg. What is that? In Indonesia? Telur?
Once
Yes, nice. And then?
salted fish.
What is that? Ikan asin. Terus? Cheese? Last?
Salted cheese.
What is that? Keripik? Nice. Oke, jadi salty chips itu keripik asin. Example of bitter. What is the bitter? Pahit. The first is coffee, black coffee. And then bitter melon. Then herbal drink, cocoa. The last green tea. Jadi cocoa baru green tea. Coffee is one to read. Okay, Atskia.
Bitter melon. Herbal drink.
Cocoa.
Green tea.
Okay, nice. Example of spicy. Pertama, first chili, and then spicy noodles. Ginger tea. So want to read? Raise your hand, please. Izam, please.
Chili, spicy noodles.
Okay, nice. Clap, everybody. Okay, after the PowerPoint, the slide, does anyone have question? Ada yang punya pertanyaan nggak? Clear? Udah jelas? Do you understand? Sure? Yakin ya. Okay, so I want to ask you, how do you know the taste of food? Bagaimana sih kalian tahu tentang rasa dari makanan? Mencoba try. Merasakan. Dengan cara apa? Dimakan atau diminum. What does taste sweet? Bagaimana sih? What food tastes sweet? Apa sih makanan dari manis tuh? Cupcake, ice cream. Ken? Apalagi? Siapa angkat tangan? Apa? Coklat, nice. Terus apa lagi yang sweet? Okay, donut. Then sweet. Okay, sweet. Okay, coklat. Okay, next. What about the drink? The drink yang manis.
Milk.
Okay, milk. Milkshake, nice. Sweetie, what is that? Candy. Sweet, manis. Apa makanannya? Yang makanan atau minuman deh yang rasanya manis menurut kalian?
Ice cream.
Okay, ice cream, of course, nice. And then what food tastes salty? Makanan yang asin. Cheese.
Salted egg.
Okay, salted cheese. Okay, salted fish. Apa lagi yang asin? Di luar dari gambar yang tadi Miss tampilkan apa? Kira-kira. No, tamarin is sour. Asam Jawa. French fries. Kentang goreng. Popcorn. Fried chicken. Nice. Okay, well, here I will show you the okay. This is the pictures of the food or drink. For example, I told you before if we will do about the play of supermarket. Jadi kita akan bermain tentang supermarket. Di sini kalian akan mengambil salah satu dari gambar dan akan mengguntingnya. Apalagi memberikan mama. So you can choose the pictures and you can cut the pictures and give the name of testis from the pictures. Jadi kalian pilih gambarnya, kalian gunting, kalian beri nama. So before we will do about our practice. So I want if you have to write about the material. Jadi kalian tulis dulu tadi materi yang tadi. Nanti biar nggak lupa. Dari sini, kind of taste. Jadi rasa itu ada apa aja, artinya apa, nah itu. Sweet, finish yang ini? Finish, oke. Tulis dari contohnya. Makanan dan minuman yang manis. Example of sweet. Jadi makanan apa yang manis, ada apa aja. Minuman ada apa aja yang manis. Nah, itu ditulis juga. Jadi kalian tahu jenis-jenisnya. You have to read because you can to know about the kind of food of sweet. Arkan, please write here the example of the food. Chocolate. Nih, chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, next example of sour. Okay. Finish? Not yet. Okay, bentar lagi. Arkan finish? Okay, next. Example of salty. Finish. Okay, next. Example of bitter.
Finish.
Finish. Mana? Lihat. Coba. Dikit lagi tuh. Ayo, cepat.
Kan sini.
Nah, nih. Okay, the last is spicy. Finish. Okay, here. This is the supermarket. Are you bringing the scissors, glue, and worksheet? Bawa gunting, lem, sama itu. Okay, try listing it. Coba diangkat. Iya. Okay, nice. Okay, here. This is the supermarket. So every the group can buy the food here. Jadi setiap kelompok belanja di sini, supermarket ini, oke? Yang udah Miss buat nih supermarketnya. Jadi from the first group, mulai dari kelompok satu. Nggak usah. Okay, I told you before, if you can dekat the pictures, and you can choose the pictures here and then cut the pictures and give the name of test. Jadi berikan namanya. Contoh ini salted egg, rasanya apa? After that you can paste on the worksheet. Tempel di atas lembar kerja kalian yang tas itu. yang udah kalian bawa. Oke, do you understand? Paham? Paham. Oke, silakan. Kelompok 1. First group here, belanja. Can choose the pictures. Okay, here, 3 pictures. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Thank you. Next. Second group, kelompok 2. Okay. Okay, yeah. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, the last group here. Here, choose the pictures. Okay. Thank you. Okay, don't forget to write your name and your group. Jangan lupa tulis nama dan kelompok. So you can give the test of food in English. Jadi spicy noodles itu rasanya apa? Spicy. Okay, you can write here. The first you have to cut and then give the name of test. Bagus itu diratakan, misalnya ini sweet kan, berarti ini deretnya sweet, jadi rapi, sweet, nah salty gitu, sour.
Melon. Apa yang belum? Udah melon. Udah. Green tea belum.
Ini apa? What's that?
Itu udah.
Yogurt. Okay, udah finish.
Green tea belum. Miss. Spicy noodle nah.
Yeah.
Belum.
Yes. Sour. Salty, spicy.
Yang gitu.
Boleh dibawanya kalau cukup. Boleh.
Itu belum gitu. Udah belum gitu. Buta melon.
Don't forget to write your name and your group. Jangan lupa tulis nama dan kelompok. Here, the name please. Okay, kelompok. Okay, nice. Simpan aja dulu. Nggak apa. Detektif. Siapa? Ngomongnya nanti gantian ya. After that you will present with your group about your task worksheet. No. Nanti gantian. Finish? Finish? Okay, before that, we will do ice breaking. Sing together again. You can repeat after me, please. Finish, right? Finish. Okay, nice. Okay, one. Arkan, finish? Okay, sit down. Salty, asin, salty,
Asin, sweet manis, sweet manis. Bitter itu pahit, bitter itu pahit. Sour asam, sour asam. Spicy itu pedas, spicy itu pedas. Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet manis,
Sweet manis, bitter itu pahit.
bitter itu pahit.
Okay. Okay, I want if every group sing together. Okay? From the last group, dari kelompok terakhir. Karena tadi kan dari awal, kelompok pertama, sekarang gantian. Dari kelompok terakhir, nanti 2 dan 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Salty asin, salty asin, sweet manis, sweet manis. Bitter itu pahit, bitter itu pahit. Sour asam, sour asam. Spicy itu pedas, spicy itu pedas. Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet itu manis, sweet itu manis. Bitter pahit, bitter pahit.
Okay, next. Okay, give applause. 1, 2, 3.
Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet manis, sweet manis.
Bitter itu pahit.
Bitter itu pahit. Sour asam, sour asam. Spicy itu pedas, spicy itu pedas. Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet itu manis, sweet itu manis. Bitter pahit, bitter pahit.
Okay, nice. Okay, next, the last rule for the boys here. 1, 2, 3.
Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet manis, sweet manis. Bitter itu pahit, bitter itu pahit. Sour asam, sour asam. Spicy itu pedas, spicy itu pedas. Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet itu manis, sweet mau manis. Bitter pahit, bitter pahit.
Okay. I want if the boys if repeat together. Karena kurang kompak. One more, satu kali lagi. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet manis, sweet manis. Bitter itu pahit, bitter itu pahit. Sour asam, sour asam. Spicy itu pedas, spicy itu pedas. Salty asin, salty asin. Sweet itu manis, sweet itu manis. Bitter pahit, bitter pahit.
Okay. Time is yours to present with your group about your worksheet. Jadi waktunya kalian presentasi kelompok dengan kelompok kalian menampilkan show about the worksheet dari LKPD kalian tadi. Lembar kerja. Lembar kerja. Okay, the first group here. You can stand here. The group of Zulfan. Give applause. Don't forget to greeting salam. Introduce yourself. Memperkenalkan diri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
The text is
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, nice. Next, apa lagi? Salty. What is that salty? Asin. Asin, yummy. Yummy nggak? Oke.
This is salted egg. The test is salty.
Salty, good.
This is cheese. The test is salty.
Oke, nice. Spicy, good. Good. Spicy.
This is coffee. The test is bitter.
Bitter. Big, bitter. Okay, closing, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikum.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, give applause, please. Thank you, Julfa. Nice. Bagus. Kelompoknya udah berani. Okay, next. The second group. Kelompok 2. Ya nggak apa-apa. Mati lampu. Okay, next here.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, introduce yourself one by one. Your name?
My name is Askia.
Okay. My name is. Okay, besarkan suaranya. Louder please. Besarkan suaranya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is salted. The test. Okay, nice. Yummy.
This is salted chips.
The test is.
The test is salty.
Okay. Good. This is ice cream. Tunjukkan dong, show the picture. This is ice cream. The taste is sweet. Okay, nice. Yeah? Yummy. This is apa? This is cheese. The taste is salty. Nice. Okay, next. The last. Gambar terakhir. It's about bitter. Bitter melon. The taste is bitter. Bitter melon is bitter. Okay, thank you. Closing, please. Wassalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Thank you. Okay, nice. Bagus, good. Next, the last group. Geser. Okay. 1, 2, 3, open.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kalika, okay? So you want to show what the picture of the food and drink here? What is that? This is the test is okay.
This is sour.
Yogurt. Okay, yogurt. Next for the bitter here. Bitter. Bitter. Bitter.
It is normal. The test is
Sour. Okay, sour. Sour itu apa? Asam. Nice.
it is coffee. The test is
Okay, bitter. Next.
it is bitter.
Melon.
The test is bitter.
Okay, bitter. Where about the salty and spicy, please? The food of salty or the spicy? This is? Okay, this is spicy, no? Noodles. Good? Good. What is the test?
The test is spicy.
Okay, nice. Next, the last picture.
It is salty. It is salty egg. The test is salty.
Salted egg. Salted egg. Okay, the test is? Okay, closing.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, give applause. Okay, nice. Okay, for the last, I want to remind you about the material. So, salty itu asin, bitter, pahit, manis, and then sour, asam, siapa lagi? Spicy, pedas. Okay, the last, this is the evaluation worksheet, lembar evaluasi. Jadi kalian contoh misalnya number 1 ini apple. Apple itu rasanya apa menurut kalian? Misalnya you said if the apple is sweet, so you have to circle the sweet, dilingkar. Kalau misalnya apelnya manis, ya udah dilingkar manisnya. Give your name, berikan nama. Ya, yeah. This is by yourself, sendiri-sendiri. I will give you for 7 minutes. Kalau misalnya udah lebih cepat, berarti nice. No finish? Wow. Okay, thank you Arkan. Thank you Fatir. Thank you Zulfan. Thank you Shanas. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you Izam. Thank you. Thank you Rara. Okay, Nisa. Okay, nice. Okay, Kalika. Alia, sorry. Thank you. Okay, now, we learn about the taste of food. Food can be sweet, can be salty, can be bitter, spicy, and sour. Jadi hari ini kita belajar mengenai rasa dari makanan. Makanan itu bisa manis, bisa asam, bisa pedas, bisa pahit, bisa asin. Asin. And then now, before we close our material for today, any question?
No.
No? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So for the next meeting, we will learn about the quantity of food. Oke, dah. Jadi nanti pertemuan berikutnya kita akan mempelajari tentang kuantitas dari makanan. Oke. Oke, now prepare please. Thank you for today. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, prepare. Don't forget to the trash, sampahnya dilihat, dikemaskan, dikumpulkan dulu. Nanti buangnya pada saat keluar. Ya, ya, dikumpulkan dulu. Oke, yang tadinya worksheetnya, give it to me yang ini, give it to me, give it to me please. Oke, thank you. The trash please, give the attention. Tuh sampahnya. Sampahnya Arkan jangan lupa under your table. Ready? Oke, siap. Oke, we can do ice breaking. Terakhir, last ice breaking. Everybody clap the best.
I'm the best.
You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you for today. Okay, Zulfan, please lead the pray before we go home.
Sebelum kita pulang, mari kita berdoa bersama-sama. Berdoa dimulai.
Okay, thank you for today. Are you happy? Bagaimana pembelajaran hari ini? Happy or not, or sad, or boring? Happy. Okay, thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Okay, yang udah boleh keluar. Salam. Hati-hati ya di jalan ya. Be careful. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Alia.